Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Geography 101, Physical Geography. Happy to have you in class. As we settle into the new semester, I just wanted to touch base with you in regards to what's coming up for the week. I would typically send weekly announcements by Sunday to tell you what is happening in that particular week. Please read them carefully, as they will typically be emailed to you directly when I post them on Canvas. Take a look at the table below. Here we go. This week we are looking at Earth-Sun relationship, Introduction to the Earth. Please read chapters 1, 3 to pages 3 to 127 to 27 in the textbook. Also take a look at the study guides, lecture notes, and recorded videos of the lectures. This is a fully online class, and it is asynchronous, meaning that there are no live Zoom classes. All activities and assignments are conducted virtually. The syllabus for the class is posted on the course syllabus section of Canvas. Please review it and print it if you wish. I've also posted a syllabus quiz, and you may get 5 extra credit points if you complete it by Sunday, February 7, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. No quizzes will be accepted after that deadline. I strongly suggest you complete it so you are aware of its contents. I've also sent an announcement explaining a virtual icebreaker. This is a non-graded discussion that will allow you to introduce yourselves and to get to know your fellow classmates. Please make sure and post your introductions and make sure you say hi, hello, or hey to at least 2 of your classmates in class. Please complete this by Sunday, February 7, 2021 by 11:59 p.m. If you plan to drop the class, you need to do so by Tuesday, February 16, 2021. It is your responsibility to drop the course if you are no longer interested. After Monday, I will drop some students that did not show up on the first day of classes on Monday. I check Canvas daily and I see your level of activity. According to school policy, if you do not log into the class on the first day, I may drop you because it means that you didn't show up to class. There's a long waiting list, and students who don't show up on the first day by 11:59 p.m. may be dropped the next day to give room to those on the list according to the priority. Please read the instructions. Please read the instructions for assignments carefully. The main reason why students lose points is because they don't follow directions. Please notice that for most of the assignments there are deadlines. You usually have 2 opportunities to submit the assignments up to the deadline, except with exams. Exam needs to be taken in a specific window. In some assignments, you may be able to submit your assignments up to a week after the due date, but you will lose points for being late. I check Canvas daily and I see your level of activity. I suggest that you log into Canvas frequently, preferably daily. This is the only way to keep up with the class. Please read the rules on plagiarism very carefully. We seem to have an upsurge of cheating and plagiarism in the last few semesters, perhaps due to the fact that classes are being conducted remotely. Be aware that I strictly follow the policies designed to prevent plagiarizing, and I strictly enforce the consequences if you caught cheating or plagiarizing. The consequences range from getting a 0 on the assignments, failing the class, or in the worst case scenario, a referral to the dean that in extreme cases could lead to expulsion. Just don't do it. Here are the district policies regarding cheating and plagiarism as presented in the syllabus. I am excited and eager to start the class. I hope you are too. Our physical landscape is created by many very interesting processes. We are going to learn about the weather, about climate and climate change, about earthquakes and hurricanes. Everything you learn in this class is demonstrated right outside our windows. Furthermore, we live in a world that is increasingly interrelated. where globalization touches every aspect of our lives, regardless of where one lives. The idea is even truer for our physical landscape. Whatever we do to our environment locally has global consequences. This is the reason why we geographers emphatically say that geography matters. I hope that by the end of the semester you'll understand why geography matters as well. I am looking forward to meeting you all in our first virtual meeting, and I look forward to a great semester. Please feel free to contact me with any questions. You may contact me via Canvas inbox or by emailing me at scortez@sdccd.edu. Hope you have a nice weekend and see you online. Best, Samuel Cortez.